Perform the normalist load drill exhibition using the standard M1 Goran rifle. The distinctiveness of drill exhibitions embodies the kind of character, attitude, and professionalism, be it in combat or drills and ceremonies. Truly unique to be considered as the cutting edge, the armed forces of the Philippines. The drillers are now performing the letter H and I. Hi, welcome to Luneta Park, Manila. Now, cover your ears as they offer their initial salvo to officially welcome you all on these occasions. The next formation you're about to see is the anchor. In amphibious operations, dropping of the anchor, a signal to start an aggressive assault in a victim. But this time, a signal to start of series of rifle exhibition. The Philippine Marine Corps has 4 Marine Infantry Brigade, and 3 Marine Brigade Reserve, 12 Marine Battalions, a Combat Support Brigade, Service Support Regiment, Force Reconnaissance Group, Finance Center, Coastal Defense Regiment, Headquarters and Quarters Service Group, Marine Corps Force Development Center, and the Marine Security Escort Group